What if I told you that you can have refried beans on keto without the carbs?
Add them to your tostadas for dinner or even for your breakfast on the side. Start by chopping up some bacon. We're going to take a couple pieces and just dice it up into small pieces, add it to a hot pan. We're going to let that bacon cook while we prep our eggplant. Chop up the ends of the eggplant, peel it, and then we're going to dice it up. It doesn't really matter what size your cubed eggplant is because it's really just about making it into little pieces so it cooks more evenly and quicker, because you do want your eggplant to be really tender. Then once the bacon is done, we're going to set that to the side. We're going to put it on a paper towel to drain all that excess oil, but leave all the bacon fat in the pan. Add in your cubed eggplants, and then we're going to add in some onion, some garlic, then a few seasonings. I will leave all the seasonings down below, and then just give it a mix. Make sure it's all mixed in. Once it's nice and tender, we're going to add in our crispy bacon, and then we are done. Then all we need to do is transfer it to a bowl, and I like to use an immersion blender. You can also use a regular blender or whatever you normally like to do. If you want to mash it by hand, that's fine too. I personally like the immersion blender. It's so convenient, such an easy cleanup. Then mix it all up until you get the right consistency. There are liquids that you can add that I'll leave down below for tips on that. I personally like to use heavy cream in it, and that's it.
Let's go ahead and give these a try. Here's the consistency of them. These are so good. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you would try these or if you have tried them. Please like this video if you found it helpful, and stay keto, and I'll see you on the next one.